Good afternoon, everyone. Afternoon, those who are overseas. This is Emmanuel Pavel. I'm a pharmacist and a PhD candidate at John University of Technology. So thank you, Prof, for the opportunity to give a short brief with regards to DRC when talking about local pharmaceutical production. Actually, DRC in 2019 reached a level of 92 million population, which are divided in 26 provinces. When you look at this big country, only 10% of commercial sector pharmaceutical product in the DRC, which actually manufactured locally, and mostly are produced in Kinshasa, which is the capital city, and local pharmaceutical manufacturing is higher, dependent on important input and packaging equipment, and the multiple import taxes increase costs and lower prices competitivity. You may find that out of the 120 registered pharmacies which are really known by the pharmacy councils, 9,000 to 11,000 unregistered drug shops that call themselves pharmacy are found in DRC, which means that although the country is too huge, too big, but only 120 registered pharmacies we found in the country what the Pharmacy Council has recorded. And mostly are actually found in Kinshasa, and the major ones are found in the urban areas. When it comes to DRC, the health problem has been alongside issue limiting development of the country. So where you found that medical facilities are severely limited and medical material are in short supply. When it comes to different conditions or diseases, malaria is the major health problem in the DRC, followed by HIV and AIDS, cholera, and the different outbreaks that have been happened in DRC, such as Ebola, hemorrhagic fever, polio, typhoid, measles, as well as tuberculosis, which didn't actually put the rate of people per year who are dying because of TB, but it's actually a big commodity in DRC. You may also find, because of the issue of political issues that the country is facing, nutrition is also a major issue in the country, where more than 69%, which is the half of the population, suffers from undernutrition. So DRC, a private health sector, is actually closely regulated by the Minister of Health. Legislation regarded to the country covers the opening of health facilities, the pricing of products and services, the importation of product, and the establishment of mutuals. So, however, enforcement of such legislation has been challenging due to the limited availability of inspectors, which is a big challenge, ongoing decentralization and opaque regulatory process. So challenges exist in DRC, both on the private and the public sectors. So stakeholders indicate a lack of familiarities between the Minister of Health and the different bodies, which is also lead to a lack of understanding about which director or division to consult. So this allows inadequate integration of the private health sector in the decentralization process, as well as barriers the private sector faces when attempting to comply with regulations. So the government health system decentralization initiative has posed challenges to the Minister of Health, which effort to engage the private sector in general within the country. So the sector itself faces numerous constraints related to the availability of commodity, shortage of adequately trained staff, and the affordability of private health care. Meanwhile, continuing political uncertainty has deteriorated the country in a level that the health system is collapsing. So there are many opportunities for the DRC government and donors to better mobilize private actors and improve health outcome. Although the country is trying to solve the issues of the political fight that's happening in the east, in the south, as well in the central of the country. So in short, this is the kind of summary of what's happening with the local pharmaceutical production in the DRC. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that contribution. So if I gave you my $20 million, would you put it in the Congo or you would go on holiday?
I think, Prof, we still have opportunity to where actually we can choose or allocate the money in provinces where safety when it comes to investors is guaranteed, compared to other provinces like the East part where they are busy fighting, they are busy looking to bring solution. But when it comes to the South part and the West part, safety is there, so your 20 million can be invested.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you very much. Nice speech. I've learned a lot. 92 million citizens in the DRC. That's amazing. Right. Let's go to Zimbabwe.